Welcome. I'm proud to present before you the TerraForge3D version 2.2. So I've been developing this application from a long time, and this has been quite interesting, and it has like grown quite a lot in a few months. So this is the biggest update yet, and the main aim of this application is to be a free alternative to professional and paid terrain generation tools like Gaia or World Machine. Though it cannot reach exactly that quality, but still it can be. It is now at a stage where it can be used for professionally generating terrains and making games or 3D scenes. So for example, like this update has many new features and many new bug fixes that I'm going to discuss in this video. And also, before getting into the video, you can just go and check out the GitHub page of this repository of this project, or the new website of this project. And just something that I would request everyone, that I would really appreciate any kind of feedback or any kind of support that you can give for this project, and that would really be helpful. All right, so let's just, while the website is loading, let's just get into the features one by one, and we can get to it once it's loaded. Right, for example, the biggest update of this version is the node editor. So the node editor has been remade from scratch, and now it's way more stable, and also it has now you can zoom in and zoom out, which was a big problem with the previous version of the node TerraForge3D node editors. Now there are also several more nodes, and also the performance is improved quite a lot, and also it's way more stable, right? And I've made a separate video about all the nodes of this node editor. You can check them out. I have placed them in the description. Okay, so the next major update is the noise layer system. So previously it used to be only three kinds of noise that we had. That was simplex noise, value, that was and cellular noise, and the random number noise. But with this update, we have added about six different noise types, and also fractal types, and also several other parameters which you can toggle. For example, if I change the fractal type, you can see more parameters are coming up. If I change it to cellular, I can see more parameters are coming up. Right, I can change. Now this is way more stable and way more efficient and way more capable. For example, if I just want to make something interesting in front of you, that would be very easy. Just let me enable it and set it to something like FPM, and number of octaves to something like 7, and let's say the strength. Where is the strength? Let's increase the strength a bit, decrease the strength a bit. All right, you can see the mesh being shaped. We can choose Berlin, I can choose OpenSimplex. Now there are several things I can do with this. Right, and I can generate realistic terrains with it with this version. The next big update is the the module system. With the module system, now you can write your own modules in TerraForge3D. So what I mean is like you can write your own module to extend TerraForge3D and add a functionality. This is like Blender's add-on system, but like it's not that advanced yet. So what you can do with modules is, for example, you can install a module. There are three types of modules that are available with this version, and one type of module that is being in alpha. So they are, firstly, the first one is UI helper. So that is kind of a separate window that like you get to render to a separate window. You design like module has its own UI, and that can be used for example like if I want to make a small window that can give me like documentation about different features, I can just make it as a module and update it. Also there is a module for nodes. For example, whenever I click add node, I get a list of available nodes. If I install a node module, I can see this like more nodes that are being added with the module. I can also add a noise layer module, which will add a different type of noise layer to it. So these modules can be used to extend the features and make it more useful, right? The next big update is in the save and load system. That is, you can install the module from here. The save and load system has got a lot more stable, and now there are way less crashes and corruptions on saving and loading. The next update is the number of types you can export. For example, you can export on these many types of 3D files. Previously it used to be only OBJ, and this is a big update, for example, for anyone who is using this. And also there is an update to the texture store. Now the texture store is way more stable and way less prone to crashes, and this like there won't be any problems like there used to be problems when downloading textures, and in case the application would crash in case internet connection was not there. But all those problems has been sorted out. Also the pack project and load pack project has been refined in order to so that it can be more stable. Also the we have got the supporters out here, which shows the list of everybody who has started this project, right? So that's it about this version of TerraForge3D, and hope it helps. And you can see the website out here. That's the website for TerraForge3D, right? And there is a showcase out here. You can post in this Discord server, and you can get chance to get showcase out here. There are documentation and other important links, and you can go to this Discord server and you can showcase your project, right? So that's it about this update. Thanks for watching.